Welcome to CAD Designing. This is the SOLIDWORKS 3D modeling, exercise number 24. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Launch your SOLIDWORKS software, click on New, select the part, and then OK. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. First, we analyze the diagram and decide the steps. At the start, we select the right side plane, and start the profile from this corner point. Complete the profile according to dimensions. Then extrude this up to the given dimensions. Next, we make a rectangle and cut out this from solid. Also, make this sketch for cutout. Our model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the right plane for the sketch. Start the sketch with the line tool. Start draw a line from the origin point to the upside, 40 millimeters. Next, draw 12 millimeters straight line to the left side. Now we need to draw an inclined line. But make sure we do not get tacking references from any snap point, such as midpoint or endpoint. Approximate I select point here. Then, draw 4 mm straight line to the downside. Draw 12 mm straight line to the left side. Next, draw 4 mm straight line to the upside. Once, we draw an inclined line like this. Then, draw 56 mm straight line to the left side. For vertical line, get tracking reference form. Start the start point of the profile. Draw the vertical line like this way. Next, draw 16 mm straight line to the right side. Next, draw 6 mm straight line to the upside. Then, draw 32 mm straight line to the right side. Next, draw 6 mm straight line to the downside. Joint the start point of the profile to close the sketch. Here, notification about a close profile. Just ignore this. Escape the command. Now, we are required to fix some dimensions. Such as this vertical line. Give this dimension 32 millimeters. Next, give dimension between these two vertical lines, 95 millimeters. Now, set dimension this vertical to this corner, 6 millimeters. Now notice here, this dimension between this vertical line to this corner point is already set. Here we got a notification. That's we cannot change this dimension value. Just click on OK. Our profile is completed. Make sure we draw the profile according to the dimensions as given in the diagram. Extrude this with the mid-plane option. Up to 40 millimeters. Now, we make a profile for this rectangular cutout. Select this face for the sketch. Take the corner rectangle tool and start to draw from this edge to in this direction. Enter the 4 mm width of the rectangle. And for the length, we select approximate point on this edge. Ignore this warning. Set the dimension between this edge to this vertical line of the rectangle, 14 millimeters. Similarly, this vertical line to this edge, 14 millimeters. Now, see here, the length of the rectangle is set automatically. Such as 9 millimeters. We cannot change this value, because we set outer dimensions for this length. Take the extruded cut tool and select through all options. See the preview and click on OK. Now, we make a profile for the next cutout. Select this face for the sketch. Take line tool and approximately draw the profile as shown in the diagram. Like this. Make sure to not select any snap point. Now, set the dimensions as given. Such as, between this corner point to this edge, 8 mm. Similarly, between this corner point to this edge, 8 mm. This corner point to this edge, 12 mm. And, this corner point to this edge, 12 mm. Our profile is set. Once, take extruded cut tool. As shown in the diagram, this profile is cut up to this slanted surface. That's for we select up to next option for the direction. See the preview. The profile will cut out up to this slanted surface. Just click on OK. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.